In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop image manually in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to trim away the parts of a picture you don't need, so your spreadsheets look cleaner and more professional without leaving Excel. To begin, make sure your image is already inserted on the worksheet. Click the picture once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see small handles around the edges and corners, and a Picture Format tab appears on the ribbon. If you don't see that tab, click the image again to confirm it's selected, not a shape or a chart. If there are multiple images on the sheet, click the specific one you want to edit so only that picture is active. With the picture selected, go to the Picture Format tab on the ribbon and click Crop. This activates crop mode and places black crop handles on the sides and corners of your image. If your window is narrow and you don't see the word crop, look for the crop icon. It might be in a drop-down labeled Crop on some screen sizes. As soon as crop mode is on, the rest of the image dims slightly, making it easy to see what will be kept. Now adjust the crop. Drag a side handle inward to trim a single edge, like the left or right side. Drag a top or bottom handle to trim vertically. Use a corner handle to crop diagonally and control two edges at the same time. Focus on framing the part of the picture you want to keep inside the bright central area. You can also reposition the image within the crop frame. Hover slightly inside the picture until your pointer shows a move cursor, then drag the image to fine-tune what's visible without changing the crop box itself. For precise results, zoom in so small adjustments are easier to see, and aim to align important content with grid lines or nearby cells for a tidy layout. Don't worry about making a mistake here. Cropping in Excel is non-destructive by default, meaning the trimmed areas are just hidden and can be restored later. When you're happy with the framing, press Enter to apply the crop. You can also click anywhere outside the image to confirm. If you want to tweak it again, simply select the picture and click Crop once more to readjust. And if you change your mind entirely, press S key while in crop mode to cancel before committing. That's all it takes. Select the picture, click Crop, adjust the handles to frame your content, and press Enter to finish. Clean, focused images can make your spreadsheets easier to read and much more impactful.